Hello everybody, welcome to part 2 of the SkimmerCar project. This is modifying your skimmer, okay? Mod your skimmer, short for modification. In this part of the project, we are going to try to get your SkimmerCar to go faster and further than it did in its unmodified version, or its standard version. Alright, so you're going to be changing it in some way to get it to go faster and further. That's the idea. Alright, so there are some rules to this, things that you can do. You can add fins, wings, turbo funnels. You can make cuts, meaning you can cut things off of it. You can make additions, meaning you can add things to it, such as weight. You can add or subtract weight to it. Things like that in general. Things you can't do are to change its basic nature. It still has to be a skimmer. So you can't add an engine, you can't add wheels, okay? You can't add motors or any sort of lubricants, CO2, or rocket boosters, okay? Anything that's going to self-propel it. It still has to be basically a skimmer that's going to get set up on the launch board with the paper clip and launched using the rubber band. Alright, so those are your do's and don'ts. Here's the process of this module. Okay, so before you can begin making your modifications, I know you just want to jump in and start cutting things off of it or adding things to it because you probably have a few ideas already. All right, but we're going to go through part of the design process to get there. So we're going to start with analyze existing products and develop some design ideas. All right, you're going to research some modification ideas, and then you're going to draw up at least 2 thumbnail sketches of ideas that you might want to try. Then you're going to do the chosen design rationale. You're going to pick one of those 2 modification ideas that you had, and you're going to tell why you're picking that one. Okay, that's your design rationale. Then you're going to do your final plans and drawings, meaning you're going to do a multi-view sketch of your final design idea. So part of a technical drawing of your final design idea. Dimensions will be included, but only on the parts that you're modifying. So you're not going to dimension the whole SkimmerCar, just the things that you're adding or subtracting from it. All right. Then you're going to build and test it. So you're going to modify the SkimmerCar. You're going to make those additions, make those subtractions, whatever you plan to do with it. Then you're going to test it. And then you're going to see what adjustments do I need to make, and you may make some more additions or some more subtractions, and you're going to retest it, and you may go through that process a couple of times, but your goal is to ultimately get it to go further than it did before. Okay, and then finally you're going to record your results, and that's it. Thanks.